Okay, Carlos is making us a chocolate martini. And what is it that you're pouring?
This is cacao.
Okay, cacao,
Liquor,
Baileys,
Baileys,
and the glass is chilling with cubed ice.
more.
And a little stolichnaya. Notice the technique.
That's it.
The shaking is what's magical. And the glass is cooled. And again, at Le Blanc, even though it's not real glass, it looks like it. And we're in a pool and drinking seemingly out of real glass, although it isn't. But it sure appears like it is. Fabulous. Thank you, Carlos. Gabby, come and sip your drink and then you have to tell me how it tastes. Gabby actually enjoyed her first one enough that she is wanting a second. And fabulous. Gabby's had enough. Gabby's cut off.